Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and updated way to disable label notifications for important emails in Gmail on your Android device. If you find those constant alerts for important messages distracting, this quick guide will help you manage your notifications more effectively. First, open your Gmail app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. This will open a side menu with various options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and tap on it. Here, you'll find all your Gmail accounts listed. Select the email account for which you want to disable the important label notifications. After selecting your account, look for the option called Manage Labels and tap on it. This section controls how notifications and syncing work for each label in your inbox. Now, find and tap on the important label. This is where Gmail categorizes emails it considers important, and where notifications for these emails are managed. Inside the important label settings, tap on Sync Messages. You'll be given 2 options: Last 30 days or All. Choose whichever suits your preference for syncing emails. Keep in mind, if you don't sync messages, you won't be able to manage notifications for this label. Finally, to disable notifications for important emails, simply uncheck the box next to Label Notifications. This will stop Gmail from sending you alerts specifically for emails marked as important under this label. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for the important label in Gmail, giving you more control over which emails trigger alerts on your phone. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and recheck the box. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips to help you get the most out of your Gmail experience.